students, how are you all? So today we will start with our new exercise 4H. Question number 1, solve in that 4 sums are given. Right? Here word problems are given. Number A is rupees 320 was to be spent on CDs. If 8 CDs were bought, what was the cost of each CD? Right? What is the question? That total rupees, how many were there? Total rupees 320 were there. Okay, 320 rupees were to be spent on CDs and total 8 CDs were bought. So here you will write CDs and here you will write rupees. Okay, rupees 320 were to be spent on 8 CDs. Then what was the cost of each CD? So one CD will cost how many? See, I have written opposite. Okay, such mistake you may also do. So what you have to do, first you have to take care that what you have to write here. You have to write here rupees first or CDs first. I have explained you the method in my last video also. Again I am repeating the method. First you have to see what was the cost of each CD. Cost. So rupees will be going back side and CDs will come first. Okay. Now 8 CD costs rupees 320. Then 1 CD costs rupees how many? That is 320 divided by 8. 8 4s are 32. Subtract 0 0 and this 0 will come down also, it will go up also. So your answer will be 1 CD cost rupees 40. Right? This is your answer for first number sum. Now number B. Rahul has rupees 183. How many ice cream costing rupees 7 can be bought? And how much money will be left over? Let us find the first question's answer first. How many ice cream costing rupees 7 can be bought, right? So here two words are there. First is Rahul has rupees 183. So 183 means rupees is the first word. How many ice cream? So we have to find number of ice cream. So ice cream is the second word. Okay. So what now? How many ice cream will be coming back side? Ice cream will come here and rupees will come first, right? Because how many we don't know. So now 7 ice cream. One ice cream will be of 7 rupees. Means 7 rupees. 1 ice cream. Then total how many rupees he is having? He is having 183 rupees. Then how many ice cream he can buy in 183 rupees? So what you have to do is 183 divided by 7. Okay. 7 2s are 14. Subtract 8 minus 4, 4 and 3 will come down. 7 6 are 42. Subtract 3 minus 2 1, 4 minus 4 0 and this is remainder, this is quotient. Now here children, how to write the answer is important. Two questions are asked to you. First is how many ice creams costing rupees 7 can be bought? 26 ice cream can be bought. 26 ice cream can be bought. That is your first answer. Second is they have asked you how much money will be left over. 1 rupee. Rupee 1 will be left. Right? Because from 1 we cannot purchase the one more ice cream. Right? So 1 will be left over. Let us go in see number sum. Children share the cost of buying decorations for their friend's birthday. Now one of the friend of your might be having a birthday. Okay, same way here one of the friend is having birthday and 4 children are sharing the cost of rupees for buying the decorations, right? If the decoration costs rupees 87, how much does each child have to pay? Okay, so here what you have to do, if the decoration costs rupees, one is rupees, one word is rupees and second is 4 children. Right? So what will come? Children will come first or rupees will come first? For that we have to see the question again. If decoration costs rupees 87, how much does each child have to pay? Each child have to pay, matlab you have to find rupees. Okay? And here will come children, right? If 4 children together are buying a decoration of rupees 87, then one child will give how many rupees for that, right? So what we have to do, 87 is divided by 4. 4 2s are 8. Subtract 0. 7 will come down. 4 1s are 4 minus and 3 will be remainder. This is your quotient, this is your remainder. But here you have to write the answer now. How you will write the answer for this? Let us see that what is the question asked. How much does each child have to pay? Each child have to pay rupees 21. How much more money will be needed? Okay, means how many are remaining? So rupees 21 will be shared by each child, right? And rupees 3 left. And how much needed? What will come there? Rupees 1 is needed more. Okay, so the question formation done in textbook is different, but here I am explaining rupees 1 will be needed more and 3 are still left over. Means 3 will be needed by each child, right? Okay. No need to write about 1. Now question number D is, Aparna and 3 of her friends bought a video game for rupees 392. See, Aparna and 3 of her friends bought a video game of rupees 392. What was each friend's share? Here what was each friend's share means we have to write rupees backside and here will come friends, right? Now see here, very carefully you have to write Aparna and 3 of her friend means Aparna is 1 and 3 more friend means total 4. Here don't write 3, instead of 3 we have to write 4. 4 friends are sharing the money of 392 for purchasing a video game. Then each have, one will give how many? So 392 is divided by 4, right? 4 nines are 36. Subtract 9 minus 6, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. 2 will come down. 4 eights are 32 minus 0, 0. Your answer will be each friend share, each will share rupees 98. Right? This way you have to do the word problem of exercise 4H. Here we are ending this exercise, but before that I want to tell you something, that on your next page, if you will open the textbook on your next page, question number 4I is given. Again here bar model method is given, so that is cancelled from our syllabus, so I am cancelling that exercise. And then 4J sum is given, that is mixed problem solving of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Here we are doing the chapter of division only, so this you can do for your extra practice, but in this chapter we don't need this. Okay, and so I have cancelled 4J also, and now we'll continue with chapter checkup. I have told you before also, chapter checkup you have to do by your own. If you want to check it out, what you can do is, you can when I will send you the writing part of it, that time you can check out. But first you try by your own, so you understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask to me. Right? You will understand whether the concept of whole chapter is clear to you or not. Right? So here we are ending with our chapter 4 also. Okay? In next video, we will continue with our new chapter. Till then, goodbye everyone.